In this video, we're going to learn about how you can use offices and departments. First, we're going to go to the admin section, offices, and this is where you can create new offices. So we could come in here and say, the Raleigh office. We could give it a description if we want. With departments, it's basically the same thing. Give it a name, you can put in a description. Okay, so once you have these in here, it's important to know that both offices and departments are linked to members. Okay, so let's go to Allison. We'll edit Allison. And as we can see, we have linked her to the engineering department in the Miami office. Okay, so once you have that in, there's several ways that you can use filters with offices and departments. And in one place, that is the work items page. So if we go over here, we could say we want to filter. Let's just go with the office for now. Let's say the New York office. And let's make sure there's nothing else set. So we run the filter, and then we get back all work items that are in that office. And if we want, we can customize the table layout and select offices if we want to see it. Let's go ahead and select departments as well, so that that will appear on the table. And it looks like it added them over here. If we want, we can drag and drop to move it over this way, or we can go here, actually in this section, and we can just easily just kind of drag it up. And let's put both of those at the very far left side of the table, right? So now if we scroll over, we can see here they are. And I'll double click there to expand the table. So now we can see them. We've got everything in the New York office. So this is a nice way to run reports if you want to see everything, work item related information for a particular office. Now, what you could also do is we could clear that out, run the filter. So we're grabbing everything and then group by office. Okay, so now we get all the work items. These are ones that are not linked to an office. So they're linked to people, but these people have not been linked to an office. And then here we can see Miami office, New York office, San Francisco office. Okay, so if we scroll over, we can see that we do have some metrics here where we can get summaries. For example, the total time logged for the San Francisco office. Of course, we might want to filter this by date range to get more accurate information. So that's how you can use offices. With departments, it's essentially the same thing, but it's important to note again that offices and departments are linked to people. So if you have assignees, then that's how we get the office. One thing to keep in mind is for a given work item, let's say this one, the people, so Marnie, the office and department for that work item are pulled in because those are the ones she's linked to, but you might have multiple assignees. So Joe, he's also working on this, and if we save it, he might be in a different office or a different department. So just kind of keep that in mind. You can also use this on time logs. Okay, so if we go to the table view for time logs, it looks like the last time we came here, we were filtering by office. So again, because the users who logged this time were linked to that office, that's why it's in this group. And same thing with departments. You can even go over to expenses and run similar reports.